Black's challenge here is to save these 7 stones. So obviously black cannot escape. This will be a snapback. Very easy for white to play. And black only has 3 liberties left. So its only move really is this. It must cut here. Otherwise white can connect and have way more liberties than black. So black must cut and white must play this to capture number 1. Now, you've probably seen some patterns where black has to stand down and sacrifice 2 stones. But this actually doesn't work in this scenario because black will just be short, right? This seems like a connect and die, but white will capture first. So black is actually short if it stands down here at number 3. So what black should do instead is to play this, and then now the throw in. If white captures, then black now plays the bend on the first line. And this will eventually be something like this. But of course, white will capture the ko first. So once again, we have a ko, and that's the best result black can achieve. So the main takeaway really is to be careful and to slow down and figure out how to deal with white in this situation and settle for a ko. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them below and I'm happy to answer them. Thank you for watching.